Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Amazon Web Services, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating an Amazon Web Services account. Visit the AWS website and click on the Create an AWS Account button. Fill in your email address, choose a strong password, and enter your account name. Provide your contact information, including your phone number and address. Select a payment method to complete the registration process. Log into the AWS Management Console with your credentials. Explore the AWS free tier to familiarize yourself with free services and usage limits. Use the simple monthly calculator to estimate costs based on your expected usage. Set up billing alerts to monitor your spending effectively. Leverage auto-scaling to adjust your resources according to demand. Consider using reserved instances for services like EC2 for long-term cost savings. Make use of tagging to categorize your resources and track spending. Optimize your storage solutions with Amazon S3 by selecting the right storage class. Employ AWS budgets to manage and visualize your budget goals. Regularly review your resource usage with the AWS Cost Explorer tool. Evaluate the pricing options for each AWS service you utilize. Finally, stay updated with AWS pricing changes and new services. This will ensure you continually optimize your spending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.